flying up and open up. There's love surrounding me, even when the cold won't stop. My heart's still burning free. Lift me higher, higher.
We are here, guys, in Shabak. Shadag yun. Shadag. Look, ice, and it's cold now. Really, it's really cold. I put my mask and my gloves. There is ice on the top. I think we have to go there. Bang, bang. Yes. There's a cable car. We will go there to have cable car for us. Okay. This is the way, guys. Look at the whole area. Huh? Wala ka dyan.
Me also, huh?
Yeah, this will get.
We're going to the top, guys. See the pine tree. Ice here. Little. Oh my God. Go more. Move more. Ay. See. Huh? Move. I'm taking video here. Up, Dano. More clear. See. Cable car over there. And here. Let's go. This is the stair. Here to down. We walk. Ay. Oh my God.
Ayan, no, dyan kami.
Oh, sige. Here is the machine. Here, look, guys. How wonderful. Very nice.
Nakatakot siya sura naman niya.
Ice on the top of the mountain. We walk this rail until down. Oh, it's very nice, guys. Really, it's nice. I wear already my mask until my neck, and I wear my gloves. Here we are, guys. Yan ko. Umakit kami pagkataas-taas. At malamig talaga dito, guys. At nagyayalo. Barajat. Yun ang cable car. Isang diretso lang ganon. Food here, guys. Food. And patata. Pwede tayo kumain. 15 lang. Mura. Tayo lang mene. Sila puro ice. Saan si Jano? Kakulay kasi ng lapag eh. We're going to that cable car. Oh my God. See, guys, the view. It's so wonderful. So wonderful, guys. It's really nice. Naka-cover din pala. 3 of us. Oh. Jet, ready na. Jet, ready. Sa gitna ka, Jet. Jet, sa gitna ka. Like this? Hindi.
Sit.
Sit
Sit
now.
down, sit down. Relax.
Thank you. Ay, kita ko, let's go. Oh my God. Hello guys. First time mo, Jet? Nakamalaglag yung tent ko. Ikaw na. Picture ng ano natin. Tatuan tayo. Wala mag-video po nang inalat ang video. It's really cold. Ooh, it's up. Up and away. Look, there is a over there also. Ay, Jonah, see? It's too much high if you want to come there. There is no service to come there. Ooh, too much high.
Just 1 minute, don't speak.
Hindi kami tayo. Okay na, video lang.
Yeah.
Okay na dyan. Okay na. Got this, guys. Ang ganda ng mountain. May yellow. May yellow siya. The mountains have eyes, guys. Yeah. And it's really cold. Okay, there, guys.
Is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently.
Hello guys, solo trip ako ngayon.
And the breeze
ang ganda ng view. Oh my God. It's so fascinating.
It's so
I'm all alone.
the feeling of freedom.
It's so nice. They're behind me. Ice, baby. But look how far it is. Oh my God, look at my face. It's really nice, guys. Look how beautiful is the mountain. Nice view here. Wow. So fascinating, guys.
Is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is
Almost going down now. Here guys, almost going down. From up.
It's so right.
I'm alone. We're done. Thank you. I can take photo from this one.
TikTok yan?
Yeah, TikTok.
TikTok?
YouTube, TikTok.
Oh, good.
Hi. Wait, wait. Jump. Shoot. Here, where are you going? Here, here. Thank you. I'm here, where are you going? Sabi kasi nila, alright? No, no, it's too cold.
This one, may gusto ko i-try.
Okay, try. Horse? Saan horse?
No, this one. That one.
You have to go. Ah, because this is
Ayun, meron.
Go.
Will take out to you?
Yes, no, you only talking.
I want.
Maginaw na, Jet. Yung sapol ng hangin sa'yo niya.
But ask first, how much you have?
Fascinating. Sige na, mas makay na kayo dalawa.
to
And guys, malamig na talaga. Hindi na kinikerry. So, meron akong mask sa loob at sa labas. With gloves. With matching gloves. Wala, ba't na kasi nag-yelo? Ito ginawin. Ngayon,
Wala pa ako na snow yan, ha?
itong snow yan. Meron.
Hindi, kung ma-snow talaga.
Oo. Saka hindi mo ano yung budget. Hindi mo ma-enjoy ito ngayon. Pag may snow. Hindi mo siya ma-enjoy kasi
sun is shining
malamig
bright.
na ano na yung kamay ko.
Sa akin sa likod ko. Tumatalas.
Beach is calling out my
Manipis yung
name.
jacket mo.
Manipis nga yung jacket.
Gusto mo
The
na ito?
waves are crashing gently,
Kaya nga nilak ko na eh.
and the breeze is blowing through my hair.
Bata pa siguro yan.
Summer vibe, it's so right.
Nagmas ka? Parang hindi. Parang ko yung
The
ilong mo.
feeling of freedom in the air. The days are long and lazy, and the nights are filled with music and fun.
Ayun. Parang paborito.
Lamig ba yun?
Where we go after that?
Yes, electric.
It's too hot. It's too sweet for me.
Okay. Too much hot ba?
Yeah, also. It's too much hot. My tongue. Ginagaws. We go take for our service. You enjoy, Jano? Yeah, but it's cold. Where is he? Dito siya, di ba? Habol pa siya. I think this is him. This is him? How can I take photo? I have coffee. Gabi na. How can I take? Me too. Ano ko tayo picturean?
The sun is shining bright. The beach is calling out my name. The waves are crashing gently, and the breeze is blowing through my hair. Summer